Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your system. Create a restore point and back up important files so you can revert if needed. Next, enable developer mode only if you plan to install unsigned themes. This permits extra customization. Now download the core tools: a start menu replacer, a taskbar patcher, and a rounded corners theme pack. Once you have those files, verify checksums and close unnecessary apps. Doing this reduces conflicts and speeds the installation for the next steps. You now install the UI patches in sequence so changes apply cleanly. First, run Explorer Patcher and enable the centered taskbar option. Adjust icon padding and system tray settings so items sit like Windows 11. Then install OpenShell and import a Windows 11 style start layout. Pick matching icons and fonts to maintain visual consistency. After that, apply the rounded corners theme and replace shell assets carefully, using trusted installer privileges when necessary to avoid permission errors and preserve stability. You finish by polishing visuals and testing behavior across apps. Tweak transparency, rounded radius, and color accents so the entire desktop feels consistent, and set the new theme as default. Once done, reboot and exercise common workflows. Open File Explorer, context menus, and system dialogues to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, make sure to restore your system point or reinstall Explorer Patcher. Often resetting OpenShell to defaults resolves mismatched start or icon issues without a full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.